Welcome to Indonesia. In the eastern heart of Flores Island, where morning mist drifts like breath from the earth, lies a mountain that dreams in color. Mount Kelimutu. At dawn, the fog reveals 3 lakes, each glowing in a different hue. One blue like the sky, one red like ember, one dark as midnight rain. No one knows when they will change, only that they do, again and again, as if the mountain itself is alive, painting with time and light. To the people of Flores, Kelimutu is sacred. They call the lakes Tiwu Adabupu, Tiwu Ko'o Whainua Mori, and Tiwu Adapolo. Each lake holds the souls of those who have passed. The wise rest in Adabupu, the young in Ko'o Whainua Mori, and the restless in Adapolo. They say the colors change when the spirits move, when joy, sorrow, or longing stirs beneath the surface. And so, the people watch in silence, listening to what the mountain wishes to say. As twilight settles over Flores, the mountain grows quiet once more. Tomorrow, the colors may change again. Tomorrow, the story begins anew. Because here, in Indonesia's islands of wonder, beauty lives not in what stays, but in what changes. Kelimutu reminds us, to live is to transform. And in that transformation, we find the soul of nature itself.